Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 12.2.11 and we are going to configure IP addresses. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You need to configure the workstation and the support office so that the workstation can connect to the local network and the internet. So complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to configure the IP version for TCP IP setting for the MP2S0 network connections as follow. IP address is 192.168.0.254 and the subnet mask is going to be 255.255.255.0. Broadcast is going to be 192.168.0.0.255 and the default gateway is going to be 192.168.0.5 and we're going to configure DNS using the following addresses: 163.128.78.93 and then 163.128.80.93, and we are also going to use the following steps to test the corrections to the ENP2S0 interface card. You're going to ping the gateway to confirm that the workstation is properly connected to the small network. Ping the external DNS server to confirm that the workstation is properly connected to the internet, and we're also going to ping an external web server to confirm that DNS is configured properly. And in the absence of any other thing, let's see, we'll go ahead and start our lab. So we wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if you find this video to be helpful to you in any way, you also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed access to and one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all, no matter how complicated it is. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel so you have access to a wide variety of educational video materials to help you in your educational journey. So we'll go ahead and open terminal and then we'll start up right away. So from the first task, we're going to type in IP space ADDR space show, and then you press enter, and then we type in cd cd space /etc /sysconfig /net /network and scripts, and you press enter, and then you type in ls and then you press enter, and then you type in nano space ifcfg dash emp2s0, and then you press enter. So we edit this. We edit this to 192.168.1.0.254. Nope. So it's gonna be 255.255.255.0. and this is gonna be 172. Nope. It's gonna be 192.168.0.255. And this is gonna be 192.168.0.5, and then we exit, and then you press yes, type in Y to save changes. Save file name, right? Okay. All right, so we're back, and let's continue. So this is gonna be nano space /etc /resolve.com fee results.conf, then you press enter, and then let's see, name server. So it's gonna be 163.128.78.93. You press enter, name server space 163.128.80.93. Press enter, and then we save. Okay, so we're back. So we copy and paste this, and then we let's see. So we edit this. So this is supposed to be IP space link space set space EMP to S0 space down, and then you press enter, and then we type in this, and then you type in up, and then you press enter, and then we are going to ping -C4 space 192.168.0.5, and you press enter, and you're gonna ping -C4 it's gonna be space 163.128.80.93, and we'll press enter, and the ping space C4 space www.cupnet.xyz, and you press enter. And then we'll go ahead and submit score. So if you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider sharing this video on other educational platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.